I wonder how many fellow Americans were aware of President George H.W. Bush's significance to our beloved USA before his death on November 30th, 2018. And while I had a better understanding of this remarkable leader and deep appreciation for his presidential efforts due to my involvement with USA Patriotism since shortly after the terrorist attacks on September 11, 2001, the media coverage, primarily from Fox News, following his passing was a proud reminder of his leadership accomplishments and World War II heroics. It also helped to better shine the light beyond the great President Ronald Reagan's shadow that George H.W. Bush helped to develop in his role as Vice President. In fact, his approach to life after escaping near death from his heroics in World War II that earned him the Flying Distinguished Cross crystallized my understanding of the man who became the 41st President of the United States, while never wavering his dedicated, caring role as dad, grandfather, and husband. He truly epitomized what the best of the greatest generation was all about, including being a great American patriot. I hope, pray, younger generations might one day be able to truly grasp the vital importance the greatest generation was for the USA that they live in today. Even righteous speaking elected officials are able to do so now because of what the 20th century founding fathers like George H.W. Bush did throughout their lives with the mindset to serve beyond self. David Bancroft, founder of USA Patriotism.